So I picked up some things from Urban, Aerie, Nordstrom, and Steve Madden. I would say most of these are not clothing items. And if you guys missed it, I did upload a holiday gift guide last week, so I think it's a perfect time to do your gift shopping during the Black Friday sales. But I'm just gonna get started with the first store, so I'll go ahead and start with the Urban items. And both of them are kind of similar, so it's just sweatpants from this one brand that I don't know how to pronounce. A couple different colors, so I have this light gray one, and then I have a darker gray one, and I also have black ones that I'm wearing right now, so I can't show you, but you'll see a picture on the screen anyways. But I just really like the way these fit. It is fleece lined in the inside, super soft and comfortable. So next up are the Nordstrom items. So I have two different clothing pieces. Got this one dress that I feel like would be really good for the New Year's or some sort of holiday party. The only thing is I do think I have to exchange the size, because in my store the extra small was the smallest size that they carried, but I checked online and I didn't realize that it does come in a size extra small, so it is a little bit big on the waist area. So I would say if you do decide to pick this up, definitely don't go up a size like I did. Just stick with your normal size and you should be good, because the material is super stretchy. And then the other item I got from Nordstrom is just another flannel. I have this in a different color, and the yellow orange one that I have is one of the softest flannels that I own, so I just wanted to get it in this black color and same size as the one I got before, extra small. So I did get one really random item from Aerie, so I'm just gonna get this out of the way. It's not even a clothing item for me, it's for my dog. So I was watching Julia Havens and she got a little dog shirt for her dog Booker. I didn't even realize that Aerie had dog clothes. I honestly don't know if this is gonna fit him because it looks kind of big, and the reviews did say it runs really big. Even though this isn't for me, I thought I would show it just in case any of you guys have dogs out there. Next up, I have some UGG slippers that I picked up. They have a bunch of different colors and styles, but I chose to get a neutral one just because I do prefer neutrals over colors. So next up is another pair of shoes, and this is the brand. So these are the shoes. They're just a pair of trainers, and they're kind of like a dad sneaker, so kind of reminds me of some of the New Balance styles. And I just wanted to pick this up because it was a pretty good deal, 30% off. And I did get this in a size 36, which is my normal size. So the last couple of items I didn't get during any sort of Black Friday sale, but I did want to throw it in here just because this video is kind of short. So the next one is another pair of shoes. It's the Steve Madden Cobra boots, and this is a really good dupe for the Naked Wolf jailbreaker boots that I always wear. I actually got these for a collab that I did with them. I do have a coupon code. I don't make anything off of it if you guys choose to use it. It's just for y'all to save extra money if you decide to pick anything up from Steve Madden. I love the platform, and they've been doing a really good job creating a lot of platform shoes that are really good dupes for the Naked Wolf ones. So I have two items from Skims, and again, this wasn't for Black Friday, but I do want to throw it in here in case they have some sort of Black Friday sale. So the first one is from the Outdoor Basics collection, and it's just a basic tank top, but I actually really like the fit of this, and I just think it's a really comfortable and flattering fit, so I really want to pick this up in different colors. I wish they had this in black, but they don't. And then I have this teddy coat that's the same exact color, and the color will be listed in the description box because I wore this in my holiday gift guide, and some of the comments were asking what color I had and what size, so details will be listed below. So I have one more item, which it's not a Black Friday purchase again. It was actually a birthday gift to myself. It's just this Dior bag. Honestly, it was kind of an impulse purchase just because I was eyeing this and it was out of stock and I didn't want to pay over retail for it. And then I checked the website and noticed it came back in stock. So this is the bag. I honestly have no idea what the name is. It's just the oblique print. I feel like this video is going to be kind of short, so sorry about that. I just didn't want to pick up things for the sake of a Black Friday haul. Anyways, I will be coming out with my seasonal winter haul probably next week, but I hope you guys all had a great Thanksgiving. Definitely a good time to do your holiday shopping, so I will link my gift guide in the description box in case you guys want to pick anything up, and I'll see you guys in next week's video.